7 basic cause of catfish fryers high mortality during raining or cold weather season. You're once again to my channel. You are welcome to Catfish Solution Academy. Today I'll be giving us 7 basic cause of catfish fryers high mortality in cold season or raining season. From the background, you'll be watching our mentorship service, which we are having live. For those of you who really want to join our mentorship service, maybe you want to go into hatchery and you want to learn training on hatchery, we do online mentorship. We will take you through all you need on hatchery and we will be right there with you for the training. So that is what you are watching from the background. Now, as a question in my comment section, I think on our page, which someone said I sometimes did not give a practical illustration of most of my teachings. There are some teachings that you can't do a practical illustration, so you just need to take cautions of those factors will be given out for you for training. So I think that's what you needed. So today I'll be talking more on some of those causes that normally leads to high mortality during cold weather. That means high mortality rate in catfish fryers during the raining and cold weather season. This can be caused by several factors, and today I will be highlighting the causes and their corresponding control measures to use. So the number one and the most important and the eye killing factors or cause is the temperature during cold weather. That means the temperature fluctuation. And what are the causes? That means the sudden drop of temperature can stress your fryers. This can lead to weakness of the immune system and increases the mortality rate of the fryers. And what are the control? The control are you need heat to be generated, maybe inside the hatchery or inside the water. So that means you can use a water heater to generate. You can use any measures like maybe hot water to generate and heat into the incubator. This is to maintain the water temperature in the hatchery and monitor temperature closely to avoid drastic changes. So let us go to number 2. The number 2 I'll be talking about today is your poor water quality. Your poor water quality. What are the causes? Increased rainfall can lead to changes in water quality, such as low oxygen level, higher ammonia in your water, and the pH fluctuations. And the control are the regular monitoring. That means monitor and maintain optimal water quality parameters. Include the dissolved oxygen, the ammonia level of your water, and the pH. These basic 3 parameters of your water should be taken care of. You need to monitor it closely. Use water treatment and aeration system as needed as possible at this particular time. And the third one, because of our time, the third one, that is, I'll be talking about the pathogens proliferations in your water. Cold water and raining weather can promote the growth of pathogens such as bacteria, fungi, and parasite. The control are implement biosecurity measures in your farm. Regularly disinfect tanks, equipment, and use prophylactic treatment to prevent infection. Isolate and treat any infected fish immediately you notice these great symptoms on them. And because of our time, let's go to the number 4. The number 4, I'll be talking about the inadequate nutrition. Cold temperature can reduce the fryer's appetite and metabolic rate, leading to malnutrition. They will not feed well they will not feed well. And what are the controls? Provide high quality, easily digestible feed at this present stage. That means make sure that you use more of animal protein source for your feed. And if you are buying feed outside, note, make sure that you are buying a high conversion ratio feed for them, so that the little intakes of feed they will take at this particular time will increase their body tissues and will give them the desired weight. That means the lesser feed you are giving them at this particular time will help them to increase their body tissues. That means cold water temperature can reduce the fryer's appetite and metabolic, as I said earlier. And the control are provide high quality, easily digestible food and adjust feeding schedules to ensure the fryers receive adequate nutrition. Use feed formulated for cooler temperature as available. And if those of you that does not understand this, I said it once, some of these feed that can use for cooler temperature are feed that are rich in animal protein, which has wide amino acid, at least we still have nothing less than 50 amino acid present in the feed. So I think I'll be talking more on that, on the nutrient and feed formulation, later in the day. So let us just go more further to our number 4. That means number 5. Sorry, I wish I'll be talking about overcrowding. The cause are increasing stock density during advanced weather condition can lead to high competitive for resources and greater stress for fishes. The control: avoid overcrowding by maintaining appropriate stocking density. If necessary, use additional tanks to spread out the fryers population. So that means overcrowding is not acceptable at this particular time. And because of our time, we're talking about number 6, which is inadequate aeration. Reduce oxygen level due to lower temperatures and higher organic load from rain can cause suffocation for your fishes. That means reducing your oxygen level due to lower temperature, because once the temperature is too cold, this will reduce the ammonia, the oxygen level of the water, and this may lead to fish suffocation. That is why you notice most of your fishes come up to get breath. They come up to get breath. So what are the control? Ensure adequate aeration using air pump, diffuser or water circulation system to maintain sufficient dissolved oxygen level into the water. And the last but not the least for today is the handling stress. Frequent handling and transportation during cold and raining weather can increase stress level and susceptibility to diseases in the fishes. The control are minimize handling and transportation during this period. When necessary, handle the fryers gently and use stress reduce techniques such as seductive or stress relief treatment medications for them. I think most of us we do understand that, using stress reduce reliefs for them. In addition, those costs and implementing appropriate control measures, you can significantly reduce the mortality rate of catfish fryers during rainy season and cold weather. So this is where we'll be ending today. Once again, my name still remains Odutola Isabionu DTM, your great anchor on this channel, and make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube page. Make sure that you like our Facebook handle, on all our social media handle as well. Make sure that you always give your comment and make sure that you join our mentorship, and make sure that you buy most of our handout out there. We have a lot of books available to be a professional, and note that we do trainings, we do mentorship, and we consult. So once again, my name still remains Odutola Isa Abiodun DTM, your great anchor on this channel. Thank you, and God bless you all.